Hello, Discord enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into the wonderful world of emojis and how to use them effectively in your messages. Whether you're diving into the built-in Discord emojis or adding your custom ones, we've got your back. Let's jump into the art of expressive communication. 1. Using built-in Discord emojis. To kick things off, accessing Discord's built-in emojis is a breeze. Look for the smiley face icon on the right side of your message box. Simply click on it. A menu of diverse standard and Discord-specific emojis will appear. Just click on your desired emoji, and it magically appears in your message. 2. Inserting emojis with shortcuts. For those looking for a swift emoji game, we've got shortcuts. In the text box, type a colon followed by a keyword. For instance, smile will swiftly bring a smiling emoji into your message. Expressing yourself with emojis has never been faster. 3. Adding custom emojis to your server. Server owners, listen up! Discord allows you to elevate your server's emoji game. Navigate to server settings on your browser or desktop app. Find and select Emoji in the menu beneath the Roles section. A click on Upload Emoji lets you add your custom image. Discord grants you up to 50 custom emojis by default, with more unlock as Nitro members join your server. 4. Inserting custom emojis in chat. Once you've successfully uploaded your custom image with a unique name, head back to your channel chat. Inserting your personal emoji is a breeze, either through the emoji menu or by typing its name after a colon. This personal touch adds a unique flair to your server's communication. Conclusion: emojis are the spice of Discord conversations. Whether you're exploring the built-in options or adding your server's personal touch, let your conversations become more vibrant. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your fellow server members. Happy chatting, and may your emojis bring endless vibrancy to your messages.